laugh as loud as you can.
And you can just hear in the background. Evie Lee is on,
Smells like weed.
is on the
And she looks at the
toilet
bee.
having a poo.
No one, no.
Yeah, shaky self.
Yo, what's up, peeps on the streets?
You never put in this new shit and they're gonna hate
It's coming. Not really, guys.
Let's do it. I wouldn't be in here if she was.
Yeah, that'd be just rude.
Okay, that's our sound effects, by the way. We put our sound effects on.
Yeah. Should we go around the block? Guess when?
But are we gonna go tomorrow?
No. Going up on a Tuesday, on a Friday. It's my assembly time.
And you good.
You guys on Minecraft, yeah?
That was a really good sound effect.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some more on here now. Let's just flip through them. Oh, that was a really good one.
No, wait, click this one.
Good.
So yeah, guys, on Minecraft, we're gonna be doing building a.
Daddy can't be simple.
We're building.
I knew what we were gonna do.
Oh wait, I'm gonna click this one. This one looks for that. It sounds like the one that we know. He fell.
What's happening? What's happening? That was one of the funny ones, but the funniest ones, the poop jumping down. We have poop ones on there, we ones and poop ones.
They couldn't see you doing that. Look at this one's someone laughing. We've never.
My dad's peed in the sink before when my child was on the toilet.
Wait, I got one. Oh, this one's another laughing one. Oh my god, that was one.
That's the one where the tiny little mammal.
Oh, yeah! Poop it out!
Yeah, what's up? Hello! She's a pretty. When you give it to the dog, I rock with my baby. I mean, you can get it to the baby.
Yeah, cream, derp. Cause I'm doing it, guys. Just grab this.
Is it not supposed to be in the van? Just check the door is open.
It's gonna be on YouTube.
We're gonna put a one where the people wipe the door.
Oh, guys, look.
No, we're gonna put the flush chain on. And you ready? Wait. We'll put the one
No, someone. Oh, guys, you ready for the final flushies?
Flushies, get ready, get set.
Wait, we're gonna turn the lid off.
Oh, that was a good one. Now go.
Got it.
Good, good. Oh, my baby.
Oh no!
Oh, it's wet. cooking pot for my baby. Because I don't even know that song. Oh, that's the last one.
Wait, it's another laughing one.
Wait. When I sit properly, you can do it, okay? Let me just sit. I'm
Oh, it's another lid one.
Big booty is in the can.
No! That's what I am. And she's like,
Are you gonna put more sound effects on? Put more P sound effects on. It's really funny.
okay, I'm just typing. Wee sound effects.
Wait.
Okay, I'm looking. That one.
That's a funny one.
If you guys can hear this.
It's funnier. And the video is funnier. Ain't it?
Oh,
no, it's a toilet one. I'm not
see. Oh yeah, let me put it up.
Wait, the one where someone bites the bum. Put that. Is that one on?
And then flush the chain 1, 3, 2,
Wait.
1. No, now. Get it.
And I'll put on the plug and then push it down.
What are you doing? You're not a grilly, you know. You're not
So,
gonna
I guess that's going to be the end of the video.
Yeah. So there we go with this vlog.